Welcome back to Alvinza Studio, where we explore the most unique and inspiring destinations from around the world. Today we're taking you on a journey to a hidden gem that combines tiny living with big adventures. Modern industrial tiny shipping container house in Custer, South Dakota, a design evaluation. In the world of innovative housing solutions, shipping container homes have carved a unique niche. The modern industrial tiny shipping container house in Custer, South Dakota, stands as a testament to this trend. Let's delve into its design and see what makes it so special. This container home is the result of a 6-year dream realized by a passionate father-son duo. Their dedication to craftsmanship is evident in every corner of this structure, creating a home that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The house is built from a 40-foot container on the ground floor and a 20-foot container on the upper floor. This combination provides ample living space while maintaining the compact efficiency that container homes are known for. One of the most ingenious aspects of this design is the external staircase. Placing the staircase outside not only saves interior space but also adds a striking visual element to the home's exterior. The interior of the container home strikes a perfect balance between rustic charm and modern sophistication. The wooden ceilings and dark walls create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Large windows are strategically placed to allow natural light to flood the interiors, enhancing the sense of space and connection to the outdoors. The spiral staircase inside is a standout feature. It not only serves a practical purpose but also adds an elegant touch to the home's design, showcasing the thoughtful use of vertical space. The bedroom features a blend of natural wood and modern elements. The use of dark colors combined with wooden textures creates a warm and sophisticated ambiance, making it a perfect retreat. The kitchen is designed with both functionality and style in mind. Modern appliances, sleek black countertops, and wooden cabinetry create a space that is as beautiful as it is practical. The open layout ensures that the kitchen is a central part of the living space, perfect for cooking and socializing. Blending rustic and modern elements. The exterior design of the home is a harmonious blend of rustic and modern aesthetics. The use of wood and metal not only provides durability but also gives the house a unique character. The careful attention to detail in both the exterior and interior design sets this container home apart from many others. Ideal for nature lovers. With large windows and an open design, this container home offers a seamless connection to its natural surroundings. It's an ideal choice for those who appreciate the tranquility of nature while enjoying modern comforts. DIY container home. As container homes continue to rise in popularity, this modern industrial tiny shipping container house in Custer, South Dakota, serves as a prime example of innovative and thoughtful design. It successfully combines functionality, comfort, and aesthetics, making it a standout in the world of container homes. And that wraps up our tour of the tiny Bison Resort, a perfect blend of cozy, tiny living and stunning natural beauty. We hope you enjoyed exploring this charming getaway and found some inspiration for your next adventure, or even your dream tiny home. If you loved this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, and subscribe to Alvinza Studio for more incredible destinations and design inspiration. We're always on the lookout for unique places that combine creativity, comfort, and a touch of nature. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and stay inspired, right here on Alvinza Studio.